my Mali.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay,
How,
let me first go with what beautiful contribution again. Okay, let me first show my face. I like to talk when with my face. There. Uh, so first and foremost, I want to thank you because you have been a great contribution to get me out of the verge of depression, I would have said, but not gone there, but it was deep down there. Uh, After my mother's death, and I am grateful to you for being a big contributor and allowing my original self to flourish back again. That is one great thing that I want to acknowledge. The second beautiful thing that I want to acknowledge is that the sibling one that you had done, it was awesome. The mother's womb was the one which really made sense as to why there was this sibling issue which was there. So thank you for doing that with mother's womb. And I'm grateful for you to be doing the father's part too, because that also created an expansion. And as far as the three things that you wanted to know in the afternoon call, the thing that you and had made us pair with Gino, and you created a continuity in there, and that has become a high part of life, the Soul's Temple. So I'm grateful for you to directly, indirectly create that space of making Soul's Temple uh, like a breath for me.
awesome. Thank you for listening to me and actually putting it into action.
Yeah.
Unless unless a person has the willingness to change, unless a person chooses to change, the greatest facilitator also can't help. Right?
Yeah.
So I equally always acknowledge the people who are choosing to do it. Like if I could have said you and Gina to pair up and do it, but if you wouldn't have done, I really couldn't have done it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
That's true.
but both of you took out the time and you made it a practice, and you're still practicing and you're still continuing it. It has become a way of your being, which is brilliant, and I'm very grateful for that. And these are the things, I don't know about others, but these are the things which make me feel that I've done a good job. the
Of course,
the
you've done a good job.
the result in action, right? I mean,
Yeah.
for me, result is not how many people came on my calls. For me, the result is if 50 people came, did 5 people like just get it and start doing it and change their own life, even if it's 10%, right? For me, I'll be like, yeah, good, great, I'll continue like that.
Yeah.
That keeps me motivated to go on. And so for all those people who
That's true.
actually do it in action and change their lives and share it with other people and acknowledge the changes and come back to me and also say that, yeah, this has changed, that has changed, these are those people who have contributed to me time and again all through my journey to be motivated to continue this work. So
That's true.
thank you for that.
And I'm also grateful that it was not like it was not a charged one, because if it was a charged one, maybe I might not have been able to afford it. Very frankly. So I'm really grateful that you could cater for people like me who could contribute, but not to the extent of what the contribution what a greater contribution it was for us.
See, honestly, the reason I do Soul's Temple itself is because it's non-commercial. The When it started off, when Atman used to do it, I never had the money to pay for lot of classes. Okay, so for me, mm, those those times when these classes used to happen, Soul's Temple used to happen, or any free class would happen anywhere, I would grab the opportunity to go and listen to it and do whatever I can with it. Not only from a space of, oh, because it's free, so let me do it. But in that time, it was the easiest way possible for me to do. And then after that, of course, I earned money. And of course, I did even the expensive classes and everything I've done. And I'm not debating that those should not be there.
No, I acknowledge both of them, but the thing which is there is at a particular point of time in your life,
Yeah.
maybe you have come down for whatever reason you come down. At that particular time, you also need that lift up. So
Yes.
anything which is a lift up is also appreciated all the more
Yeah.
because that is there.
And because I never had a point of view that unless people pay me money, they won't value. I don't have that point of view. Because I have valued even the people I don't know, the books that I read, the authors that are dead and gone. But I still value the contribution that they have been through those books and through those things. So when I always had a point of view that I'm valuing it, so people will value what I do. So it's as simple as that for me. And because I know that when you don't have the money enough to pay and do a lot of like expensive classes, instead of feeling helpless, there are so many things that you can do. And I wanted to show that to the world that it is possible. Money is actually not an obstacle in progress. We just make that significant, but that's not what it is. If we make a choice, you get the resources from anywhere in the world. There is so much available in so many ways that if we just have to be willing to take it up. That's all. The day we take it up and we say that, okay, fine, whatever I'm getting from this particular write up, from this blog, from this video, from this call, from this YouTube, from and and then when we start like implementing even the smallest tools, like for example, I have watched YouTube videos which are like just 5 minutes, and they would teach a breathing exercise, a very simple breathing exercise. And when I would watch that, I would be like, okay, let me try. And I would try that exercise. Oh, it's just 3 minutes. Karne mein kya hai? And I would see, oh wow, this helps. And then just that much I would have shared with a lot of people. कि अरे ये YouTube पे है, you go and see and it'll help you. So if you really wish to change and if you really wish to make things work, uh, money isn't the problem.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That is true because of you as well as Gino. Sorry for butting in, Harvey.
No, I'm
Just
not
one
at all. I
thing
but then sorry.
just one more thing that I want to say. Because of you, you connect directly, indirectly connected me to Gino, and how I'm supposed to be working on my body, but like I work on my body and then I just leave it, and then I work on the body and then leave it. But with Gino's pranayamas, they are so awesome. I can't even like. I just feel like being there in the class for the sake of, like for the sake of my own body. But like it's so beautiful how you were the dot connecting me to her directly, indirectly.
Yeah.
So thank you for that too.
I'm like Nokia, connecting people.
Directly, like very true.
Oh wow, that was amazing.
So, and I think that has been my forte always. When I was not into healing, I used to make marriages work. I used to see, oh, ये लड़का और ये लड़की बहुत सही मैच है, चलो शादी कराते हैं.
Oh god.
So that has been my hobby, connecting people.
Connecting people. So seriously, like you have been so awesome in connecting to different people that I am in gratitude, like from the bottom of my heart. And what all work you have done, that is a completely different issue. But connecting to somebody who can contribute in a different support system is also a beautiful gift that you've done.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for
That's a
acknowledging.
divine gift to you. Seriously.
Thank you.
Vandana, hi.
Hi.
I'm
What
here
are we
again.
supposed
I've
to
got
share? I'm
But
sorry.
once again, let Kiran speak and then Gina.
I said I'm here again with
Yes,
you.
Kiran.
And I have opened two more people because my cousin Ritu, she's been listening to your YouTube.
I enjoyed. आपकी मैंने
And
दोनों कटोरियां
so,
अलग कर दी.
so I told her to come join in for this session today.
Acha.
And there is another girl, Jigisha, very close friend of ours. She's also here to talk to you.
Okay, cool. I would love to listen.
Now, they
Thank
have some queries, which I said only to get talk.
Sure. Thank you, Kiran.
So Jigisha and Ritu.
Yeah, Ritu.
Yes. Hi, Vandana. This is Ritu here.
Yeah, hi, Ritu.
I just want to ask you, when you do the affirmations of that soul temple, you have to do it in a positive manner or in a negative manner?
There is no negative and positive. Anything you affirm before Soul's Temple will become neutral.
Acha, does it make a difference ki I
Doesn't
have
matter.
this problem, or should we say in it a positive thing?
You say this problem is my Soul's Temple, or you say this solution is my Soul's Temple. It will anyways become neutral.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh.
Yeah. And
Hi,
Jigisha,
Mansi.
once again.
Hi. Yeah, hi, Bandana Jigisha here. And actually, I was supposed to come in the morning and couldn't join in. But
Doesn't matter.
thank you so much for allowing for the last session. And Kiran Aunty is a very close friend, and she really, really spoke to me. And I'm also into healing and all, but honestly, last 1 year plus has been little different and difficult to manage. And that was one thing which I wanted to share. That there has been, I don't know, I just don't feel I'm the same person which I was 2 years, 1.5 years back, because there's so much anxiety. And so I just feel every time I used to hear news about people passing away, it used to trigger. It still does at times. It triggers PTSD for me because I lost my dad suddenly 2 years back. And so it has been, very difficult to manage this kind of anxiety which gets triggered. And I live with my mother, my brother's family. I'm single. I have my nieces, so sometimes, it becomes extremely difficult to handle myself. And so there has been times I just start crying, and they would wonder what happened. So I just feel, and now it is better with few things that I've been doing, some therapy, some counseling, bark remedies. But I want to just get rid of this feeling, this hypochondria feeling, because I just feel, oh my God, what if it happens to anybody I know in my family, this, that. So I want, now, right now, talking to you, one thing I want to do, really I want to do, is to change my state of mind, if possible, in this moment. Like, I know it may not be, but I still am willing to be that positive person, optimistic person, solution oriented person. Like, I I feel now I can't live like this anymore. Like, it's
Perfect.
gone
Like
beyond.
other people, Jinal and Harleen, we'll talk after we finish with this. Kindly bear with me with that. So yeah, Jigisha, let's talk
Yeah.
about it. So you have said
Yeah.
you can't live with this anymore and you want to change it instantaneously,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
If you have to give a word to what you're feeling now and what could be the replaced feeling, let me know.
So I'm feeling choked,
Sure.
fully choked, claustrophobic in my entire being. I just feel chained.
Okay.
Like, it's like that.
Okay. And
And
once on a scale of 0 to 10, how much is that choked and claustrophobic feeling?
it's 10.
10. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Then what do you want to replace it with?
Ease,
Ease. Okay.
absolute ease and freedom.
Freedom. Fine. Ease and freedom. So for now, because on a scale of 0 to 10, the choked and claustrophobic feeling, we are just picking up what you said. say feeling choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple 11 times.
Okay. So I say feeling choked and
Claustrophobic.
claustrophobic is my
Soul's temple.
soul temple.
Yeah. Soul's temple 11 times.
Okay. Feeling claustrophobic and choked is my soul temple. Feeling claustrophobic and choked is my soul temple. Feeling claustrophobic and choked is my soul temple. Feeling claustrophobic and
Can you
choked.
be a little louder? Because I can't hear.
Feeling choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. 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 Feeling choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple.
My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple.
My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple. My need to feel choked and claustrophobic is my soul's temple.
My resistance to let go of this choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple.
My resistance to
Let go
let go of my
choked and claustrophobic feeling.
choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple.
My resistance.
My resistance to
Let go.
let go of my uh,
Choked.
choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my claustrophobic
Choked.
and choked feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my choked and claustrophobic feeling is my soul's temple.
What's happening when you're saying this?
I don't know. I just felt relaxed. You know, it just started feeling some lightness came in when I was saying resistance to let go, the third part.
Okay, so now say uh, feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple.
Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Choosing, feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom as is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom as is my soul temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple. Feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom is my soul's temple.
Yeah, what's happening?
So initially, to remember feeling relaxed and choosing ease and freedom, I think I was hold. I mean, I felt that I was holding back. The freedom word, when it was coming, it was not coming naturally.
Okay.
He,
So
yeah.
tell me what comes naturally.
It is another word completely now.
Tell me.
Naturally, when you ask me what comes naturally, it just joy came.
Yeah.
The word joy came.
The word joy came, right? So, what is your association between joy and freedom? What is the association
Yeah.
between joy and freedom?
I just feel, if I choose freedom, I will automatically get joy. But I think
Okay,
I am not
but
able.
if you don't choose freedom, you can't get joy. Is that an association?
Somewhere it is, yes.
Yeah, so that is also not a great thing because you can be joyful even in captivity.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Very true.
Right
Right
now,
now, that
we
is
are
what is
all
happening.
quarantined,
Yes,
but
yes. I think that is one of the biggest reason, because I'm absolutely a people's person. I am so caged. Right now, I've come to my building terrace. Terrace ke upar wala terrace. I told my bhabhi that I'm taking one asan. I'm going there and I'm doing this. I'm not doing it in the house. And
so
trust me, when I came here and I'm sitting here looking at the sun, there is far, far away, there is a beach because I'm in Vilepale.
oh wow.
And suddenly, I'm just feeling honest tone. When I sat here, I felt, oh wow,
Yeah. So
there was,
this was a choice that you made, first thing.
yes,
Okay. And you came out of your room to the terrace, to the upper terrace, and you're sitting there.
yeah,
That's a choice, first choice that you made. Second choice you made was coming on the call, or first
yes,
coming on the call and then going there, whatever, vice
yeah. I
versa.
was waiting. I mean, I wrote to Kiran and he, is it happening today? I don't have the link. And I already came on the terrace. I was sitting and then I messaged her so that, I don't have to walk around with the phone.
Okay, fine. So now let's address this that what do you feel when you can't get out of the home and get out into the terrace and get out into the beach?
It's the same word, claustrophobic. I feel choked. I feel I'm going to die.
Okay, first when you said I'm feeling choked and claustrophobic, it was at a 10. How much is it now?
I think it is reduced to 8.
Okay, cool. Now, how psychic are you? Like, how many people's choked and claustrophobic feeling are you able to perceive sitting at home?
I mean, you mean to say other people's feeling?
Yeah. What
Hello?
comes to you? How, like, are you able to
I
perceive?
missed that.
I'm asking.
Yeah, I get the vibe.
Yeah, you can perceive, right? So give me the thing that comes to
Absolutely.
you.
I mean,
One second. I'll just mute you once and listen to me. Okay? So tell me that try just imagine how many people's choked and claustrophobic feeling are you actually perceiving right now? 100,000, beyond 1,000, 10,000, beyond 10,000, 100,000. What is the word that, what's the number that comes to you? Unmute and speak. You're still muted.
yeah,
Huh.
lakhs of people
Yeah, I thought so.
in number of it.
Yes, 100,000, like I almost
Yeah,
felt 100,000.
yeah, yeah.
So, whenever if you're very psychic and you can perceive that many energies, all you got to do is first expand out. So let's all do this. Okay, I'm muting you and just follow. So, first, cousin, connect to your present body, the boundaries of your body, the outline of your body, and your body. Okay, and then slowly expand out. Let your being expand as big as the building that you're sitting in. In all directions, your being is expanding as big as the city that you're living in. In all directions, your being is expanding as big as the country that you're living in. In all directions, your being is expanding into the entire globe. And your being is expanding beyond the globe in all the entire galaxy, the solar system, and infinite universal, galaxies and cosmos, 500,000 miles away into the edges of the universe. That huge is your being when you're being infinite. And when you think that you're just this finite body which is inside this infinite being, you limit yourself to only that much space. Now, from this expansive space, let us all say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Cool. And now, um, Isha, say my association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul strength.
My association with
My association of freedom with
freedom.
being outdoors is my
My
soul strength.
association with freedom. I can't hear.
Sorry, I'm muting you. I'll say it and you say it along, okay? Because the sound is
Yeah.
of the wind is there, right?
Yeah.
Every one of us can do it. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My need to associate freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom and being outdoors is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the association of freedom with being outdoors is my soul's temple. My psychic abilities are 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 my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. My need to use my psychic abilities against me is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in the past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. The part of me that is captive in my past trauma is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to my captivity in the past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in the past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in the past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to the captivity in my past is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my, whoever you have lost, your father, right? Somebody, whoever is dead. So you can put your words into it. My resistance to free myself and my father from that captivity is my soul's temple. If you have lost your husband, for example, Kiran, you can say resistance to free myself and my husband from that captivity, right? Is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and my dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My resistance to free myself and dash from that captivity is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My attachment to my past pain is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to the pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to the pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My need to be attached to the pain more than joy is my soul's temple. My resistance to naturally choose joy as a way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. My resistance to choose joy as a natural way of being is my soul's temple. What's happening? Chikisha. Unmute it down.
Yeah. I felt there was some clearing. I mean, something was going. Just felt that. Right now, I'm feeling lighter, more lighter.
Again,
There were certain things that I could connect to, how the captivating word and choosing, being trapped feeling was there, when that word was come. And
yeah.
then slowly, when you said, and I really, really understand that, I've been holding on to my father.
Yeah.
And
It doesn't free him, it doesn't free you.
yes, and I've been really feeling bad about that part because I know that part that his journey now onwards has to be easy, and me being like this is not helping him
Yes.
either.
Yeah.
And
But
that is
but what if the moment you free him, he can be your guardian angel from a different space
yes,
without being captive?
yes,
Like how God is with us all the time. But you don't have to keep him captive, right? Like that. I mean,
yes,
when we free them from this physical reality captivity, they are still going to be there. We have all met each other in lifetimes after lifetimes after lifetimes. That's why we are here together. So, no matter how many times we die, how many times we take birth again, we are all connected, right? Only thing is, but when we keep them captive in our bodies and in our minds, it's like tying them with a chain
yeah,
and then keeping them with us. Like how we tie our pet dogs and keep them with us. We don't want them to go away. The pet dog, as long as it is alive, it is good. But after it is dead, will you keep the body of the pet dog with you? No, right? You will set it free. But we don't get this when it comes to human beings,
yes,
when it comes to our loved ones, that we are kind of keeping them captive in our own need
yes,
to have them with us. But the moment we release them, they will still be there in a very different light. They will be there. They will be more expansively with you than, you know, you don't want to be this choked and claustrophobic, right? Even they don't want to be that. And when you are holding on to them and they are also feeling choked and claustrophobic, you're also feeling choked and claustrophobic. And then that feeling becomes so big that then you pick up the feeling of all the choked and claustrophobic people. And now that expands. And now even if you sit at the beach, you will still feel choked and claustrophobic. because that is inside the body. It's so solid. But then the
Okay.
moment you choose freedom, when you said, right, why I worked with you today, even though you've come in the last day, because you said, I want to change it today.
Yeah. Yeah, it has been like that. I spoke to yesterday I spoke to Kiran Auntie's daughter and I told her that I'm desperate. I want to change it. I want to
Yes.
really
That is why I said, otherwise I would have just said, oh, you've come in the last minute, maybe we can meet later.
Thank you.
I'm very capable of saying no.
I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful.
But that word that you said, that, yeah, I'm feeling all this, but I want to change it now. I said, okay,
Yeah.
let's do this.
Thank
Okay.
you so much. It is really, really so kind of you. And I feel now that my father has made you do this.
Yeah, everybody's mothers and fathers, everybody come and make me do things.
Of course, of course, of course.
I just feel that. I just feel that. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.
And so if your father were here, what would he say? What's the name of your father?
His name is Narendra.
Okay. So what would Narendra say if he were here right now?
He was
He's saying thank you.
yeah, because he was a man of less words. He would not speak much.
He just said thank you, nothing else. Okay, cool.
Thank him. I'm thanking him. Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Okay.
really grateful. Thanks to Kiran Auntie. Thank you to everyone. I think I'm really just in gratitude. Tears are flowing. I don't know.
It is, when something solid breaks inside, melts inside, liquid flows from the eyes. So something solid has gone. Let it go. Let the tears flow. Doesn't matter. Tears are not wrong.
And I'm grateful that God allowed me to. I don't know. I chose this place because I'm able to do it. I'm able to release it. At home, maybe I wouldn't have. Because yeah.
Cry as much as you want. Let the tears be of gratitude and joy rather than pain and captivity.
Yes, I'm grateful. I really can't thank you enough. Really so grateful. Grateful to you. Grateful to Kiran Auntie.
It is you who made the choice. Be grateful to
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Even when you were choked and claustrophobic, you made that choice. And when you choose to come out of it, you made that choice. And then the universe conspires to make that happen for you, which you want,
Okay. Yes.
right? So whatever we desire, we strongly desire, the universe will make it happen. But if we don't want to come out of our whatever patterns, I don't want to put it as negative or positive, past patterns, and if we keep ourselves attached to the past, what can the universe do? Universe can't do anything. Universe is not more powerful than you, by the way. Bandhana is also not more powerful than you. My power is only as good as your faith in your power.
Yeah. I take my power back. I think it
Yes.
is high time.
So now say, claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul
It's
state.
my soul's temple. Claiming my
Claiming my
power
power back and being in
and
an
being in
empowered state
empowered state is my
is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Claiming my power back and being in an empowered state is my soul's temple. Being an empowered empath 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 is my soul's temple. Healing myself and others, joyfully healing myself and others, and okay, having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Having a light body and joyfully healing myself and others is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. Releasing the clutter of my mind using Soul's Temple is my soul's temple. So now how are you feeling, Jigisha? Unmute.
I did it only for 9 times, 2 times
Doesn't matter.
doesn't matter. No, I think really, the last one was so bang on. Releasing the clutter of my mind every day using Soul Temple is my soul temple.
You can just write that down.
I don't have a pen and a pen.
Go home
There
and
with me, right?
see. Anyways, I'm going to put these on YouTube. You can always watch it again. Okay. So you can write down your statements and do them again. Okay.
By the way, I have no clue what is Soul Temple, but I am flowing with it.
It's all there on YouTube. Lot of videos are there. You can pick up and listen. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
How are you feeling now?
I am definitely feeling lighter, definitely feeling relaxed, and I think something is definitely left me. Something just left me, I feel.
Yeah, your face is different now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm breathing better. I mean, if I have to observe myself right now physically, there is a change in my breathing pattern.
Yeah.
I think, I used to feel heavy in my chest all the time, center of my chest. That heaviness is lighter.
Awesome. Thank you for coming on call. And
thank you. I'm grateful, and thanks to everybody, whoever is attending. Thank you for allowing me. I know it is last day, and you must be expecting them to.
It has helped everybody, trust you me.
Okay.
All these statements are going to help everyone here. So it's
Thank
good.
you so
Sure.
much. Thank you very much. I just have thank you that is coming from my heart to
You're
say to
welcome.
you.
You're
Great
welcome.
work. Great. I mean,
Thank you, Bandana.
I have been feeling those feelings what you said now from collective, and I didn't know how to release it. I was just very curious with myself because I was feeling it and I was speaking it, and I didn't know how to.
Yeah. So one more
Yeah.
thing. One more thing I can tell you. Stop using the word feeling.
Okay.
So when you, even if you feel choked and claustrophobic, say I'm perceiving claustrophobia of others.
Okay.
Say I'm perceiving the choked feeling of others. Don't say I'm feeling.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
change the language. It will change
Okay.
everything.
Okay. I'm perceiving.
Yes. I'm perceiving. I'm not feeling. I'm perceiving.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. You
Okay.
perceive, you don't feel.
I
Because
use this,
when you say I feel, you put it into your body.
but this is exact. I have been doing this all my life.
I know. That is why I'm telling you.
When I was doing Reiki healing, or when I've been a Reiki teacher, I used to teach in a class,
Yeah.
and I used to feel I used to,
Yes.
and I didn't realize this,
I
all
used
my
to
life.
perceive.
I
And I,
used to perceive.
yes. You still can perceive, but it's just change the language to I perceive.
I
Don't say I
perceive.
feel.
Yes, yes, yes.
It'll make all the difference in the world.
I think I have used this all my life.
All
Even
of
if
us
you
do.
tell me, I'm not a visual person, so I used to always say feel.
I feel, yes. I'm also a feeling person. I feel everything.
Yeah,
But I consciously have changed my
change.
language and
I
I've
will.
changed the words. And I don't say, I only say when I'm feeling happy.
Ah, correct, correct, correct.
I
No,
don't
I
say,
changed it now. You told me change now. I will keep this all my life, and I will feel the joy. I will feel the happiness.
yes.
I feel the joy now.
Yes.
Thank you
Hello.
so much. You are God sent. Thank you so much. I thank you everybody. Thank you for giving me time. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran auntie, especially. Thank you.
How
Unmuting
does
myself.
my face look now?
I can't see who's speaking.
Yeah, Jinal, tell me.
Hello, how are you? Oh my god, it is epic. Like, I did some epic shit in the last 20 days. I lost, like, I think 1.5 kilo by eating everything. I'm talking sugar, no sugar control, nothing, no oil control, nothing. Look at my face, the way it is glowing. I am in awe. And it is just amazing. Like, I really have to acknowledge the fact that it just came to me via someone. I had just tapped into the link 6 o'clock. To be very honest, I'm giving my very
Honest
देख लेते
testimony.
हैं क्या है हाँ देख लेते हैं क्या है because it came from a very trusted source in terms of, and I thought maybe she must have done it and that is why she's sending it across to me. So I was just like, okay, let's do it. टीवी देखूं उससे अच्छा बेटर है मैं कुछ अटेंड करूं, लाइव सेशंस अटेंड करूं. And the first day we did it, you did my thing, and I was just like, oh my god, like what is this? Like, just, and I'm an affirmation person. Like, I've been working with affirmation since 2013. So I believe in affirmations and the power of words and how they impact. And in the last few months before your thing started, I was being told to do more deeper work in terms of releasing things. And I was just like, okay, इतना तो मैं कर रही हूँ, अभी अभी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा अभी कैसे मैं करूँ. And maybe that was the thought which I put out, and universe, like, as they say, when you are ready, the teacher appears. In yoga, they say, like,
Yeah.
when you are ready, the teacher appears. So
Yeah.
for me, I think it was just like that. Maybe I was just ready and bang on, tha tha tha. and then you connected me with Ruby ji,
Ruby.
and it's been 20 days. We've been working together like every day at a selected time for like 40-45 minutes. And sometimes I'm in my childhood, sometimes I'm in my teenage years, sometimes I'm in my current phase of my life. I mean, I'm just going like I'm just clearing out things which I didn't knew had still had an impact on me.
Yeah.
And now it is so beautiful that today only I talked about all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory, like when we did our thing, and you did the same thing in the evening class. Thanks to Jigisha ji for coming in and sharing her story and making that choice. So it's just sync. And the way you said the other day, it's all about when you universe gets, what was it, when universe gets personal.
Synchronicity is when the universe gets personal.
Yeah, so synchronicity is when universe gets personal. So I think universe has got personal with me, and I'm like, well, yeah, bring it on. Like, okay, what's next? What's next? And a lot of self confidence. I will say, uh, though beach mein I did go gayab for your calls, but I moved forward in my life. I put myself out there on Instagram. I am creating content which I never ever imagined in my life I would do. And something big shifted, and it just happened. And it's all after the Soul's Temple. So thank you so much for conducting this 1 month long thing. I know, like, you've put your heart, soul, blood, sweat, everything for each and every one of us. It definitely means a lot to me, and I'm sure it's the same for everybody else who've got the benefit of it. I am very thankful, and I'm just grateful that I got to learn this, and I even not experimented, but I kind of helped
Used.
2-3 more
Yeah.
people with Soul's Temple. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and saw the real time difference. Like I know, because if I'm believing in something, it's happening for me. But when others believe in it, it becomes a deeper conviction, a deeper faith.
Correct.
So, and I really appreciate your kind words the other day when my other second call had happened with you, and after that, me and Ruby got connected like 20 days before. Your kind words meant a lot to me, appreciating my journey, appreciating my choices. And sometimes it feels, yes, it does feel good when somebody else, a stranger, just acknowledges your efforts, because they know what it takes to be in the shoes and make certain choices which are not easy, but they are important. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This definitely means a lot to me. I would like to be a part of any of your WhatsApp group wherein you inform about your classes or your workshops. I don't know how do you conduct it,
For
but
now,
yeah, like,
the same group, you can just be there. I mean, until
okay,
I create like a bigger group. I don't know.
common group. Huh.
Yeah. So for now, we can keep it that. Once in a month's time, I'll also have to sort. I'm not a very structured person, so all of this requires some effort.
Okay.
So I'll do that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
I never used to inform anybody if I'm doing a workshop. I never used to tell anybody that like for example, for me, how access bars also when I do, I would be like, oh, if I've come to your house, we had some conversation, I ran bars for you and you said, hey, Bandana, I would like to learn. Oh, acha, kal workshop kar lete. I would not tell even a second person.
Vandana, I would have to
Right.
learn that from you, because I have learned access bars and I've been a BF for like ages,
Oh
2012,
my God.
and I've never done it.
I don't even bother. It's one person, half a person. I mean, children. I would still just go ahead, हाँ ठीक है कर लिया, हो गया. And I would just say, how does it get better than this? And I'll move on. People, the good part for me was my entire work so far has been only marketed through word of mouth, which means I've been doing good work.
Definitely. I
And your
definitely feel what
your
you're
kind
saying.
gestures of giving us a 1 month free healing and whatever. That is the way you spread your word. Your laughter, your presence. Grateful
And
for that.
yeah, I mean, this was just very intuitive and I just followed the guidance that I received. So, Harleen, you want to say something? Say, please.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so I would want to give the good news to everybody that today being the last day, and coincidentally today I got me and my husband's COVID negative report.
Awesome. How does it
Yeah.
get better than this?
How does it get better than this? Yeah. Coincidentally, it happened to be today, and today was the last session. So it just felt like a whole journey, and I really want to thank this platform, just for being there. Like every day when I was feeling good, bad, anything, I looked up to this thing. And thank you everyone, each of you, especially you, Masi. Like it's been like a guarding angel kind of a thing. So I just can't thank everyone enough.
Yeah, so for the others who don't know, she's my nephew's wife. And I met her when she was my nephew's girlfriend.
And I really feel I've been very lucky. I mean, that's one of the things that I love about my husband, that I met somebody like you through him.
Yeah, and Gaurav, like her husband, my cousin's son. These children have respected me so much. They've always received from me. They've always welcomed what I say, what I suggest, with so much of honoring that going to their house, talking to these people always felt like I'm so received here. And then when Harleen came in, she was his girlfriend, but the way she received me, the first time we met, we spoke till night 1:30. I was like, I don't know if she's his girlfriend, whether she would want to talk to me or not, but she received me, and then of course it goes on till today. But yeah, so thank you, Harleen.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Receiving.
Masi. I don't have that Masi sass feeling, and I know even you don't have that, but for you, you're like, that mother.
I can't be sass and all for anybody.
I know. But I'm really grateful for your existence in my life. I mean, I'll just put it that way.
Thank you, Bache. And tell Gaurav also, I'm very happy now they're all are fine.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to hear this.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Anybody else who wants to say anything or share anything? We are almost at the end of the day.
Is it okay if I take a leave?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please. I'll stay in connected with you in personal also.
Yeah, sure.
But just any workshops or anything, please put it on the group.
I will. Sure.
or maybe on your WhatsApp status.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye. Yeah,
Okay.
thank
Cool.
you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
Jillian. Thank you.
Thank
so
you. Bye bye. Good news.
Bye. Harveen, you wanna say anything?
I just want to say thank you so much. Be the person you are, be the contribution you're doing to it in everybody's life. It was a pleasure. It was a very small connect, but it's a very major connect. I can see this connect going ahead as well for good,
Sure.
with lot of
course.
happiness and smiles. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
please share the Paytm link with me. It's a request.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you.
Paytm, same number, the same phone number.
The same personal number of yours.
Paytm, Google Pay, everything is the same one.
Sorted. Very well. And take good care of yourself.
Thank you.
And this smile is just so magical. Just take care of this smile. Let nobody diminish it ever.
You know
No.
what?
Yeah.
Today when we were doing work with Jigisha, the last thing, right? It was like something I was doing, and I was like, okay, I don't remember claiming my power back, right? Claiming my
Right.
power back and being an empowered empath. What happened? Like, what happens to me generally? Now it's 1 month I've been with so many people every day. And the empath in me will be like so attached.
Exactly.
And I'll be like, oh God, kal se kya karungi? So then you also give away your power to that.
Yeah.
All these people here. And then when
Yeah.
I was doing claiming my power back and being an empowered empath and joyfully healing myself and others, having a light body
Exactly.
and, the decluttering of the mind. It was like, oh my God, thank you, universe. This had to end with this.
Yeah. But we would love to see you probably twice a month, a fortnight. I don't know. This space is a lot special, and we just need these.
Maybe randomly I'll announce whenever I feel
Yeah.
like, yeah, chalo, chalo, milte hain.
Yeah.
Like how people do kitty parties, we'll do soul temple party.
Yes, and once this gets sorted, we will do a retreat for sure.
Oh, that I am really looking forward to, because
And whenever you are in Delhi, just inform. Like, I would
Sure.
love to see you.
sure. I will.
हर जगह फैन है आपके, रायपुर, यूएस, ये देखो जहाँ जाओगे वहाँ प्यार है.
ये तो मेरा पिछले 5 साल से यही हाल है.
वाओ.
मैं कोई भी शहर में मैं आज तक होटल में नहीं रुकी हूँ, कहीं पे भी.
बिल्कुल रुकना भी नहीं चाहिए. This is all.
I have homes everywhere, like literally homes everywhere. So that's a joy and that's a pleasure, privilege.
In Bombay,
This is a
Juhu your
connect
home.
fam.
Yeah.
In Bombay, Juhu can be your home anytime.
Oh yeah. अब बीच के पास घर और क्या चाहिए बोला.
मेरा घर बीच के पास आ जाइए.
Perfect. Next time booked.
Yeah.
How does it get better than this? See, I get
Yeah.
things beyond money.
Right.
Who like, if I would have done a paid workshop, you would have given the money, you would have learned, and you would have gone.
Like, I tell you one thing, like this shadow wala workshop ka link, Neelam's link, Babandi sent me, and I don't know, I was not able to connect. फिर because I thought कि यार honestly कि 7,500 देना है, and right now I'm just tight on finances and stuff. No, I'm abundant on finances. I'll just stay in that.
Yes.
Right. And then suddenly I attended that session with you, and I just randomly asked Babandi कि slot खत्म हो गया, क्या मिल सकता है? So then she's like, ask Bandana, probably she can fix it for you. And then I asked, because my husband kept, it's my birthday on 26th, my husband kept asking me, तुझे क्या birthday gift चाहिए, क्या चाहिए. And I was like, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, तुम लोग ठीक हो जाओ, बस यही मेरा birthday gift है, जल्दी से speedy recovery दिखाओ. And then I just thought कि why not do
Ask.
something for myself. Yeah. And I was like, अच्छा, तो you were very pushy कि मुझे क्या birthday gift चाहिए, तो I'll take this session. I'll give time to myself, 5 hours. That's all I need. So can you do that for me? It's like, yeah, why not? And I did that session. That's how it went. Yeah.
Ask. Keep asking. See, also one more thing I want to tell you, Harveen.
Yeah.
I don't know, this is like our community belief, good or bad, I don't know. But when wives, daughters, sisters, they take from their brothers, husbands, or any male member, father,
Right.
it adds more money to their life. When we
Right.
take it joyfully
Right.
and we spend it joyfully.
Right. Totally. And honestly, like, I am a person who's never asked my father, my father-in-law, my husband. Like, I just being
Start
happy
asking.
with whatever I have. It just gives me sanity, and doing things for myself. Like, I always do special things for myself. Like, mera birthday, so I'll do something special for me. Right? That's how it. Like, this time, I just thought people who contributed during this pandemic time, like, it was the most stressful phase of my life, honestly. So everybody who contributed, I felt I'll just send a cake to everybody on my birthday and let them cut it as a gratitude
Send me
token.
also one.
Yeah, of course. And I was like, I'll ask Babandi कि can you just send me Bandana's address? कि maybe she has it out of, because it is a surprise. Like I haven't revealed to anybody. Like even Babandi, if she takes the call, if she listens to it, she'll get to know that she'll be getting one as well. And
that's right. And by the way, I eat eggless cake.
I know that's
I'm making my demand clear.
You know, that's why I asked you, where are you located? This is why I asked you yesterday, आप कहाँ रहते हो? And you were like, I stay in Pune. So it just clicked me, click कि ठीक है.
कोई नहीं.
Of course.
And yesterday I don't know why I was sitting in like, यार कुछ केक पेस्ट्री खाने का मन हो रहा है. पर मेरे को तो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग भी नहीं आता है.
देखा, that's how it just fell in place. Yeah.
Ask and it's given.
Yes.
Universe has its own days.
It's own
Yeah.
days, actually.
And when actually the people just don't know, when it comes as a surprise, the
it's
happiness
fun.
is just different. And to me as well, like it's a very different feel, like किसी को surprise किया, and it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, I get it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Do you have anything to say, or we'll close the call?
I just want to say thank you one more time.
And Jiggy, I want to thank on your behalf Vandana for including you in at the last minute.
Yes,
And
yes,
since
yes.
yesterday when you spoke to Payal, I could not sleep well. First session 6:30, I rang her up. I said, be on the line just now, right now, come, you know. And everything Vandana you shared today was relevant to her. And
Okay.
you know, you hit the topic so bang on, like decluttering, and you know. So I know Jigisha has been a very, very happy person, always smiling, laughing person like you. But last 2 years, she's not been the same.
Now she's
So
going to laugh.
Yes. So I so desperately wanted her to come here and get the healing and spread the laughter wherever she
See,
could.
look at her smile. If
Yeah.
like
Yeah, it's going here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I'm
I was
so
listening this
thankful to you.
myself. Auntie, I'm telling you, thanks to you and
जिगी मैं एक मार लगाऊंगी जो सुबह सेशन में नहीं आई अभी पकड़ के लाई
अभी maybe it was meant for right now.
yeah,
Yes,
maybe it
yes,
was meant
yes,
for
it
now.
was. It's right. You
Correct.
got lucky.
Morning, I wouldn't have been able to do it with my mom, beside me, in the room.
Yeah.
I totally feel that
I
it was
think
meant for
the timing is perfect.
All is okay. All is okay. Yeah. And
Yeah.
about thank you again for her. And Ritu is my cousin sister who lives in New Bombay.
Okay.
And she's been very inquisitive. Didi, kuch bata do. Free ho gayi. She's got her children married. Got her daughter married 2 months ago. Didi, kuch karna hai. Aage kuch karna hai. So I said, come today. I'll tell you, at least learn from this angel, like how to laugh, spread laugh.
I really thank you for everything. I've been hearing to your videos very regularly.
Oh, you have.
Didi have been sending me. So I really used to enjoy it, and I said, let me meet you at least on the last day.
Thank you for joining me. Cool.
And please, further classes, just inform us.
I will definitely. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Your family is getting bigger and bigger.
I'm just like excited.
Love you.
Cool.
Love you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Ritu. Bye.
Bye, Didi.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Jiggy.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.